Hello everyone, good evening. Today we are going to discuss on one of the interesting topic and the project we are going to deliver. So that is AI powered stock research and analysis platform. So today joining me Raj Kishore, a sales engineer and business consultant, Saurabh, senior AI backend and full stack Python developer, and I use front-end development and uh, React.js and Next.js developer. So today we are going to discuss a topic that is becoming increasingly important for investment firms, research teams, wealth advisors, family offices, and business leaders. Every day the professional spends hours gathering market data, reading news, and analyzing the financial statement, checking technical indicators, and reviewing portfolios. So can we reduce or can it be reduced that much time? Here, like can AI uh, reduce that effort from hours to minute, or maybe can an AI analyze the thousands of data points, understand market context, and provide actionable insight through a simple chat interface? Yes, it can. That what we are building for a client, right? So today we are going to discuss how AI agent, MCP servers, Claude Code, and OpenAI models, and modern software architecture can together to create an intelligent stock research and analysis platform. So, Rajkishore, you have spent time understanding the business requirement. What challenges are investment professional facing today?
Thank you, Prem, for inviting us for this session. What we discovered is actually very common across the industry. Most investors and analysts are using multiple tools simultaneously, like for one platform for chats, another platform for news, a different website or financial data, and often spreadsheets or portfolio tracking. And the biggest challenge isn't lack of data. The challenge is connecting all the information and making decisions quickly. Professionals uh, in today's world, they want answers like which sectors are leading? Is the market risk on or risk off? What is the best entry point? Which holdings should be excited? How concentrated is my portfolio? But obtaining those answers requires significant manual effort. That's where AI becomes valuable.
Yeah. So instead of opening and 10 different tools, the user can simply ask a question in natural language, right?
Right, exactly. So imagine opening a platform and asking, analyze Reliance for short-term investment, or put a prompt which says, review my portfolio and identify high-risk positions, or which sectors are showing leadership this week. The platform understands the intent and automatically performs the required research.
Okay. Yeah. So now we move to the technical architecture of the AI the platform we are building. So Saurabh, from a technical perspective, how does such system actually works?
Yeah. The interesting part is that the AI itself isn't doing the analysis alone. Behind the scenes, multiple layers are working together. First we have the chat interface. The user's request enter the system, and then AI agent engine determines what the user is trying to achieve. Like for example, stock analysis, portfolio review, sector rotation analysis, risk tracking. Once the intent is identified, the platform activates a specialized MCP tools.
So,
Yeah,
Saurabh, for people unfamiliar with MCP, what exactly it is?
yeah. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. Think of it as a secure bridge between AI models and real-world business systems. Instead of the AI guessing information, MCP allow it to assess verified data sources and business logic. In our platform, MCP tools can connect with market data providers, news feeds, financial statement services, portfolio analysis engines, and risk management system. The AI receives actual market intelligence rather than relying solely on its training data. Yeah.
Okay. So, Saurabh, can you briefly show us what the backend architecture looks like?
Yeah, absolutely. The platform is built using Python Fast API. The architecture is modular and scalable. We have some core components like authentication service, session management, chat service, intent engine, MCP tool layer, market data services, uh, AI service layer, portfolio services, risk management services. All user conversations are stored securely in PostgreSQL. The system supports both cloud and OpenAI providers. So, every response is traceable and auditable. So, can I show my API response?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Let me share my screen. Is my screen visual?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So we need to first you have to log in. You have to log in my system using my auth login API. After login, you get the tokens for the authentications. After that, you need to create one sessions for individual chats. Like you need to pass the payload title, which AI provider have you used, which models have you used, language, in which language you want to get the response. After executing this create session API, you get session ID. After this one, you have to create a chat message API. In chat message API, you have to pass session ID and yeah, what's your roles and what's the module type and what's your query. After executing this one, you can get intent symbol based on your query. After this, after this, you need to call the intent API. Intent API connect with the MCP tools, and MCP tool decides which stock API to hit your calls. On the basis of the intent and your input query, you can get the response. Like I have curved the query. What's the momentum scan of Reliance? So I get the response intent momentum scan and result all the basis of momentum scans momentum scanner like what's the stocks value, which sectors, stage, what's the stage value, RS rank, decisions. Next one, what's the all the volume breakout scanners, rank, stock, sector, stage. Yeah, this is. So this is the process of getting the stock analysis of India.
Can you show us a little bit maybe the solution structure you have?
Yes, sure.
Yeah.
So this is the my project structure for MCP stocks that's analyze the India stock. I have created one API folder. Inside the API folders, I have created one another folder V1. Inside the V1 folders, you have to defines the routes like auth.py, chat.py. For I have defined all the chat.py the functions like sessions. This sessions API uh, 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 is for get all the sessions. Similar, if you used post method, then it created the new sessions. After
Okay.
that, yeah, similar create message is for the new messages create, and it connects with the MCP tools uh, on the basis of intents. So I show you the MCP. Yeah, here my MCP is defined here. All the in tools registry.py files, I have defined all the MCP tools here.
Okay.
This MCP tool calls the stocks API based on the intents. So all the intents defined here, all the intents defined here. This intent maps the MCP tool function, uh, MCP tool function.
Yeah.
So our yeah. So this is the handle intent function. This handle intent functions works for to return the intent on basis of user input inquiry input query.
Okay.
So after that and yeah for individual intent files, I've also created another MCP tools like for tools market, tools portfolio, a stock market. Every tool function have individual works. These tools function to get the all historical data.
Okay. So basically, as I understand, so we have been like as soon as user put the intent, right?
Yeah, yeah,
I mean, uh, tools, our intent or tools is going to analyze that one, right? After
yeah,
analyzing, it goes to it redirects to the fintech services, like fintech
yeah, yeah,
services. The
yeah,
fintech services like maybe Yahoo Finance or maybe Angel Service, right?
yeah, yeah,
Then it returns back the data to the again to the tools or to our LLM engine, and again those we convert in a format and we send back to the the to
So,
the LLMs, right?
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So so thank you, Saurabh. You saw us the backend architecture. So I think this is how AI receive AI receives the structured financial intelligence like this you saw us and transform it to the executive friendly insights. Okay, so
Yeah.
now next we see the how actually in the UI it will look like. Okay, you guys have implemented into the I mean friendly UI in in React and Next.js. So we'll see that. So Ayush, let's look at the user interface and user experience.
Yes, sir. Sir, can I share my screen?
Yeah, yeah, you can.
Okay. Sir, is my screen visible?
Yeah, Vijay.
Okay. So our one of our primary goal was simplicity. Many financial platforms are overwhelming because they expose too much complexity. We wanted a chat GPT like it. The user logs in and immediately see a familiar interface. Okay. So here we have a sidebar where uh, we have dashboard and a chat. We have the options to add the API keys since the API key will be entered by the user. That's why we have the API key option. Okay, so we will open a chat. We will create a new chat to create a new session. Okay, suppose we type show me TCS latest price. This message will go to the our intent, and intent will respond this this data. Okay. So suppose we have multiple modules like market, rhythm, identify, sector, rotation, many more. But we can easily get the result from these modules without selecting the module. Since in backend we are using intent, so we input our data in natural language, and the intent will tell us AI will tell the intent, and it will give the it will select the correct API and give our response. So like we put here. Mm,
Okay.
So we will input in natural language, and this will identify the intent and show us the result according to that.
Okay. Yeah. Great. Okay. So many company already have already using the chat GPT. So how it is different from that? Saurabh, if you can explain it.
Yes, sir. Yep, that's a great question. A generic chatbot can provide general information, but enterprise decision making requires reliable data, business logic, risk controls, and domain specific workflows. Our platform combines AI plus MCP plus market data plus risk models and business rules also. That's what creates value. Yeah.
Okay. So Rajkishore, from business perspective, what benefits can organization expect?
Okay. So here the biggest benefit is productivity. Uh, like in research that's done traditionally, it can take hours, but by using AI, it can be done in minutes. It can be completed in minutes. So teams gain faster decision making, consistent analysis, reduced manual effort, better risk visibility, improved portfolio overnight. So most importantly, the professionals can focus on a strategy instead of data collection. That is the biggest benefit.
Okay. So, Saurabh, where do you see the AI agent heading over the next few years?
Yeah, I believe we will move beyond simple chatbots. Like AI agents will become digital analyst. They will continuously monitor markets, identify opportunities, track risk, general insights, and support human decision making in real time. The combination of AI agents and MCP architecture is making that the future possible today. Yeah.
Okay, great, Saurabh. Yeah. So, thank you, everyone. So, what excites me most is that we are moving from information overload to intelligent decision support. So, AI is not replacing analysts; it's helping professionals become more effective. By combining AI models, MCP servers, financial intelligence, modern software engineering, organizations can dramatically improve the way they research, analyze, and act on information. So thank you for joining us. If you're exploring AI-powered research platforms, AI agents, MCP solutions, or a custom AI application for your organization, we would love we would love to continue the conversation. See you in the next episode. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you everyone.